hear me? Do you need some help waking up?
I know I hear you. That's why I told you to calm your damn. Why you in there fighting with the dishes?
You clearly know who I'm yelling at then. Why you didn't clean the plate up before you put it in the shit?
You yelling at somebody that's not here. I'm asleep. You talking to your goddamn self. Shut up.
Let me wake you up. Wake up. Let me wake you up then. What's up, BT gang? It's your girl Tasha back with another freaking banger, y'all. I know y'all read that title. I know y'all saw that thumbnail. I know that y'all know that today your girl is about to get that ass. But before we get into it, I'm gonna need y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new on the road to 200K. So if you here and you're not subscribed, I'm gonna need you to smash it one time for your girl. It won't hurt you at all, won't cost you nothing, but it will help us out tremendously. So make sure you smash that subscribe button one time for your girl. Also smash that post notification bell so you can be up in the building and catch them live premiere. You gotta make the bell go ring, ding dong, hey, ring, get it, ding ding dong. Smash the bell, y'all. And post notification gang. Post notification shout outs go to Erica Spearman, 602 Virginia, Tamika Davis, Lovely Lessa, and Denise Rice. Thank y'all so much for showing us so much love down in the comment section below. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you would like a shout out in an upcoming video, just make sure your post notifications are set to on and you are hashtagging post notification gang down in the comment section below. So let me tell you what your girl finna do. So Brock downstairs, y'all, he is knocked the hell out. He down there hibernating like a big grizzly right now, right? Down there snoring like a bug. So let me tell y'all what your girl is about to do. I'm not gonna pour the real dishwater on them, but I am gonna pour a little concoction on them. If y'all can see, I got me some lettuce, I got me some onions, I got some ranch I'm gonna pour in here, I got a little bit of ketchup, and I'm gonna top it. Ooh, them onions is strong, y'all. Ooh. They need a burger or something. No, I'm just playing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna splash a little fart spray. Not too much. We ain't gonna do too much, but we gonna give it a little stench. All right, Team Tasha, now y'all already know it's going to be a freaking banger, because y'all know your girl don't come with nothing but freaking bangers. Y'all know how Team Tasha get down, period. We gonna go downstairs and act like we washing dishes. I'm gonna be extra loud to make him wake up. I know he gonna be irritated because he down there knocked out. And I'm gonna be doing too much. Anyway, so I know he gonna be irritated. And I'm gonna go right along with his irritatedness and pour this shit right up on him. So yeah, Team Tasha down in the comment section below. Banger, 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 banger. Y'all already know what's up. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get straight into it. Let me go ahead and do this on here. Open my ketchup up, y'all. Put a little ketchup in that thing. A little ketchup up in there. And we're gonna put a little ranch. You like some ranch and some ketchup? I got this because I hate when people don't wash their dishes. I'm like, don't put your dishes in the sink and don't rinse them off. So we gonna make Brock think that's what the hell he did, and that's why I'm mad. Why you don't wash them damn dishes off? Yeah. Then we gonna add a little water. It looks disgusting. Oh! It looks gross. It looks gross. It looks gross, y'all. We gonna do a little that. Not too much, just a little one. Wait, I didn't that be right. A little one right there. God damn. Okay. Now I'm about to sneak my little tippy toes down into the kitchen, y'all, and set up and prepare. We gonna get straight into it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Bruh.
God damn, why you didn't fight with the dishes and shit?
Oh! Why you didn't rinse your plate off before you put it in the damn dishwater? That shit is gross.
You not gonna be that damn loud.
You said what? You said what?
You do not have to be that damn loud.
Okay, well you don't have to be asleep downstairs. And you could have washed the damn plate off. There's a lot of things we could have did that we didn't do. That's resultant into what's happening
Why
right
are
now.
you yelling at me while I'm down here asleep?
Because I'm
Shut your
sorry.
ass up. Be quiet, man.
Shut your ass up.
Calm the fuck down.
You come bust these suds. I don't want to do this shit. Got shit all on the plates, onions and shit, lettuce all in the sink. Say no.
Tasha,
What?
who you yelling at?
You!
I'm asleep. Why is you talking to me while I'm asleep?
You hear me. You clearly hear me. Do you need some help waking
I know
up?
I hear you. That's why I told you to calm your ass down. Why
Did
you
you
didn't
clearly
fight
know
with
I'm
the dishes
yelling
and
at
shit?
You clearly know who I'm yelling at then. Why you didn't clean the plate up before you put it in the damn shit?
You yelling at somebody that's not here. I'm asleep. You talking to your goddamn self. Shut
Let
up.
me wake you up. Wake up. Let me wake you up then. Let me wake you up. Wake up. Let me wake you up then. Clean your damn plates off. Clean your damn plates off.
Oh, what you touching? Tasha,
Because.
What the
nigga,
fuck?
you yelling at me because I don't like this disgusting ass shit.
No, hell no. Hell no. What the
You
fuck
clean
was
your
that?
damn dishes.
Tasha, what the fuck?
What?
What the fuck was that? God damn, what the fuck is that?
Oh! The sink water.
I swear to God, I'm about to. You gonna throw?
You complaining? Come clean them.
Throw some fucking lettuce soup in my ass? What the? Ugh! Look at that! Why'd you play around?
Lettuce, whatever you had up in that sink. Lettuce, onions, tomatoes, barbecue sauce.
Why'd you play around, man?
Whatever it was.
Hey,
Nobody playing
I'm
with
about to
you.
smack this shit out your ass. You gonna throw some dirty ass liquid? You got that shit all in my. If I get a fucking ear infection, I'm fucking.
Get no damn ear infection. You so dramatic. Help a bitch.
I'm so dramatic. You put got that water and you gonna call me dramatic?
Oh! Your plate
Shut
off.
your ass.
That's all I'm asking.
Oh! What the fuck?
Shit. Felt like you needed a bath, a sink bath.
Oh, well, I gotta go take a shower now, you silly motherfucker. You gonna throw that water? What's
You
wrong with
needed
you?
one.
You
You
silly
needed
ass.
one.
What's wrong with you? Somebody smack the touch.
Now get this
Look at this
salad,
nasty ass.
the salad you done made up on the couch. Pick the salad up.
You gonna tell me to get this up?
Well, yeah, it was on you last. You touched it
How
last.
the f- you gonna tell me to get this? You threw it on my. Oh,
But it touched you last, is what I'm saying.
shut up, Tasha Paul. We don't put your ass, man.
You gonna come wash these dishes? I'm gonna take my ass back to sleep.
Bro, move, move.
What?
Silly motherfucker.
Don't be mad. Really? No, you stupid. Wash your plates off. You wouldn't have lettuce and shit all on the couch and shit.
You right. What the fuck is this white shit in the?
Did you have some ranch or something?
Bruh.
What'd you have?
Why would you throw some dirty ass sink water on me though? What kind of dumb shit is
Cause
that?
how you wake up talking shit and I'm over here frustrated and shit.
You ass fighting the dishes and shit on the roof.
Oh, so you just gonna stick it under.
I'm finna throw this whole fucking fish bowl on your ass.
No, you gonna have to tell Noah Sonic that.
Okay, so that's what we doing now? You gonna down there drown me in my goddamn sleep?
You didn't drown. You had a little lettuce and a little onion stuck to your head, but you didn't drown. You did good. You breathing? You gonna go finish cleaning the dishes?
I'll be right back.
Let me help you clean this.
Stop doing that. Move.
So you just want to have a bath? I'll get some more dishwater then. You better not go in that toilet, Brock. That's what. Okay. Come playing if you want to. You're going in the motherfucking toilet. Oh! I'm gonna need some real dishwater, y'all. The fuck? What can I get? What am I gonna do? Guard like this with the floor door. Okay, Brock, stop playing. Stop playing.
Come here, come.
No, stop playing. I will Lysol the fuck out of you.
Come here.
Stop playing.
So we playing?
Stop
Throw the
playing.
goddamn what the? Why would you throw the? Come on, man.
Cause how many times I told you to rinse your plate off
What?
before you put it in the
I ain't put no whole big ass lettuce like that in the goddamn sink.
How to get in there? I ain't did it.
Come here,
and
man.
if I did do it, I washed the dishes.
Come here, get away from the thing over there. Come here.
No.
Come over here. Come over here.
I'm not coming over there.
Come here.
Bro.
You wanna play games? That's why there's doo-doo water. I put shit in this water.
Oh! Stop playing.
Come here, man. Come here. Let me talk to you about something. Let me talk to you about something.
No.
Let me talk to you
What
about
you need to talk about? Come wash these
Let me
dishes.
talk to you about something.
Made the water and everything. Go bust some
Don't you ever in your
suds.
life you gonna dumb shit like that. Go to goddamn. For real?
Don't you ever in your life
You gonna throw some
with
salad,
that
soup on the some
like
minced
this.
minestrone on the goddamn nigga face and shit.
Some what?
Minestrone!
Ah! Right. I swear to God.
You swear to God, what?
Back the hell up.
How you gonna tell me to back? You damn near drowned this liquid, man. Get this shit
You
off
did
the
not
couch.
drown.
Tasha, you
You
got
are breathing perfectly.
you got this skeet and whatever the fuck this shit is on the goddamn couch. Clean this shit up, man.
Look, cereal bowl still got cereal in it.
Come here, man.
Look, back up.
Come here.
Brock,
Straight from the toilet. Come here.
don't spray me with that fucking toilet. That's completely different than sink water,
Tasha, you
Brock.
already got sprayed once. Come get sprayed again.
No, toilet water is completely different from sink water.
I wouldn't give a fuck. You put that shit in my ear. You trying to get mine. Come here, man.
Back up.
Come here.
Back up.
Why you swinging the goddamn broom? Come here. Goddamn. What's wrong with you?
I'm gonna whoop your ass. Back up.
How you gonna tell me to back up? And you done goddamn drowning me with the goddamn dirty lettuce in my goddamn ear and shit while I'm asleep. And I gotta back up?
Back the fuck up.
Come on, man. For real, bro. Silly ass. Taking my ass upstairs, bro.
Take your ass upstairs then. Take you. You shouldn't
The hell
have
you
sleep
about-
on the couch anyway.
The hell you think this is?
That's my shield, motherfucker.
1304?
Oh! Toilet water. So I
You got a
whoop
sword
your
and a
ass
shield?
with
If
this.
you even with that motherfucker, I'm gonna bust your ass.
Upstairs and stop playing. Back.
Come here.
Back.
Come here.
Watch your ass. Go
Come
upstairs,
here. You
bro.
wet my couch. Come over
No,
here.
you wet your couch.
Got your ass in the leg. Come here. Come over here.
Back up.
I don't understand how you coming at me with a sword and a goddamn shield and your ass and fuck me up.
Oh!
You do that shit on me, bro. I ain't throw that shit on you.
You started the argument. I was down here.
I ain't throw the goddamn argument.
Watch it. Put it there. Put it there. Put it down.
Tasha, this ain't no goddamn fencing competition. That silly ass over here.
No, back your silly ass up. Back. Go.
Look
Back
at,
up.
Look at your whole face with. Look at your whole face with. Why did you have to whole goddamn water fight in the goddamn house?
Brock, if that's toilet water, I swear to God on everything.
I see your cheek bubbling up right now. I see your cheek bubbling up right now.
Yo,
I see your cheek bubbling up right.
take your ass the fuck
Who the
upstairs.
fuck you talking to like that? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on.
Back up.
Come on. Come on.
Back up. I need a bigger pot.
Put down the weapon.
Back
bro.
up.
Put down the weapon. Put down the weapon.
Take your ass upstairs, bro.
Okay.
Go the fuck upstairs.
You done wet my whole goddamn favorite blanket up. I should bust your ass in the head. Wash my shit, man. Stop playing around.
No,
You
we
got-
wash this damn dishes.
I ain't washing the goddamn thing. You wash this. I cook. You wash. Shit. Take my wash my damn blanket too.
You should have washed the pots and shit out. I blocked your ass.
Look at your whole goddamn shit. You got shot in the belly. I ain't playing around. See, I'm taking my ass out.
Back up.
So you just gonna wake me? You just gonna wake me up and whoop my motherfucking ass? That's what you do.
Oh! I came down and I saw the dishes was looking the way they was looking and I didn't understand. And then you woke up talking shit. So I had to let you know I wasn't having that shit.
And then you threw some goddamn rats in my ear like I'm a big ass chicken nugget. wrong with you?
It was a mixture of ranch and ketchup and whatever you left in the sink. Baby had
That's
barbecue
I told you,
sauce.
I didn't have no big ass piece of lettuce like that. The hell's wrong with you? That's your shit.
I didn't have no big ass lettuce go down the drain, bro.
All right.
What?
Drop the weapon so we can go ahead up.
Okay, let's go there. Let's see it. Drop your weapon, brother. Let's go. Let me get in position.
Come on.
Back up.
Come on.
Back up.
Come on.
Back up.
Come on. Come on.
Back up.
Come on.
Take your ass.
Why you running like this? Come on, man. Throw them hands.
Because I don't like the way you coming at me right now. You coming very aggressive, and I don't like that shit. I'm a lady, okay?
Bruh. Lady.
I am a whole lady. You better not pick that shit up.
Garbage lady throwing fucking nasty ass, dirty ass sink water on me.
And you the garbage man.
Now what?
Back up.
Why would you do some dumb shit like that? Come clean the fucking couch up before I shoot your ass in the motherfucking ear with the
You
dirty ass
clean the
toilet water.
couch up.
You got toilet water on your neck. You got toilet water on your neck.
You better be playing.
You got toilet water on your neck. Come clean shit up before you get.
That's toilet water. I'm putting your head in the toilet.
Oh! You put my fucking head in the toilet?
Yes.
So this was this. Take your nigga out today. National take your nigga out
You
today.
started with me.
Take your nigga out there.
You
Take me out.
started with me. I was chilling.
National
Minding my own business.
National off your nigga.
I'm doing nothing to nobody. Watching me. Stop playing. Look at me.
What happened?
You see what happened.
What happened? You got shot? You got skidded up?
Oops. Just a little bit. My bad. You get it?
Straight up.
You
You gonna throw that water again?
Back up.
What you mean back up?
Back
You gonna throw that
up.
water again?
Back up.
Huh? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bring your ass over here. Come on. I'm ready to
Okay,
go.
chill out. It was a prank.
That's not no f***ing prank.
It wasn't a prank.
That's not no prank. You threw the goddamn
It wasn't really the sink water. I made some fake water upstairs with some lettuce and stuff. It wasn't really sink water.
and some horseradish or whatever the fuck that white shit is. And you read through that shit on my goddamn face. That's not no prank. While I was asleep. That's not no prank.
It is a prank because it wasn't the real stuff. You thought it was the sink water, but it wasn't the sink water. It was a made-up concoction of sink water.
So you didn't throw dirty sink water. You threw just dirty
Made-up concoction.
just dirty water on there.
That I made.
And that was the prank part.
That was clean water until I put the stuff in it.
It didn't touch the sink. It just went straight to my face.
Period. You understand?
Oh!
That's what I'm saying. Now we on the same page.
You sound silly as hell.
It was a prank.
Should have bust your ass in the head. Come here, man.
Is that really toilet water, babe? Is it really toilet water this time?
Stay there.
Stop playing.
Put your shield down.
I'm not putting
Put
the
your
shield
shield
down.
down.
Is it really
Put
toilet?
your shield down. Put your shield
I'm
down.
not putting this
Put your shield down. Put your shield down.
I'd rather be shot there than in my face.
In the cootie, get your cootie. Look.
Stop! You gonna give me a yeast infection?
You gotta ease. You gotta ease. I'm out.
No, but is that really dope? I don't want to do that. That's really toilet water for real. Or are you playing again?
You know I wouldn't do your silly ass like that. I'm not mean like you to really throw some fucking bullshit.
Okay, then we straight then. Cool. Come on, man.
I'm out.
Your girl done got f***ed up. With y'all. Soaking in the mother. Yeah, I think we got enough. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Team Tasha down in the comment section below. Banger, 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 banger. Period. And until next time, bye y'all.
Best friend, you're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her 'cause she